Shalom Chavarim, this is Richard Solomon, and this will be a tutorial on how you use QuickTime Player for screen recording. In a previous activity, I invited each of you to download the appropriate QuickTime Player for your computer by going to this website. I'm sure you will recall that. So let's make an assumption that you have QuickTime Player, and we are going to use QuickTime Player for the purpose of screen recording. So what we do is we click on the QuickTime Player application, and you see it says QuickTime Player. Now you will notice that last time we used a movie recording for making a web camera recording. If you click over here, by the way, you can make an audio recording. But what we're going to focus on today is making a screen recording. Okay, so all you do is you click on where it says screen recording. So let's do that. And then you see over here where the red dot is, this will begin the screen recording. So we're going to click the screen recording. And now the screen recording is working. By the way, when you want the screen recording to stop, you just click the button right over here, which I'll show you in a moment. But what is interesting is that you can use QuickTime Player screen recording as a way to show your students or staff how to navigate the web. So, for example, if you wanted to show them how to use Gmail, or how to find the contacts, or how to go to the apps location and go to Google Drive or Google Plus or get a YouTube, you simply do that. Now, when you're finished with the screen recording, all you do is you click on this button over here. You see this button here? Click on it, and that terminates it. And now we can actually listen to the screen recording that we made through QuickTime Player. Let's hope it works. Let's see if you can hear what we just recorded. Now the screen recording is working. By the way, when you want the screen recording to stop, you just click the button right over here, which I'll show you in a moment. But what is interesting is that you can... Okay, so I'm going to stop this, and you see how QuickTime Player can be used for quick recording, for screen recording. Again, I invite you to recall that you could do a web camera recording with QuickTime Player by clicking here, and you could do an audio recording by clicking here. Now, let's talk about how do we save this. We can save this by either going to export, and we can export the item, okay, and you have lots of different options here. But an easy way is just to click the red X, and that'll take us to export this, and we can give it a title. We can say tutorial on QuickTime Player, and it's going to be on my desktop. So let's save it to my desktop, right? So it's saving to my desktop. Let's get to my desktop. And let's go right over here. See, tutorial on QuickTime Player. Let's click on this. Okay, open. We have a wheel circulating, which often happens. Let me stop the... Okay, let me hit open. And soon we should be able... Now the screen recording is working. By the way, when you want the screen recording to stop, you just click the button right over here, which I'll show you in a moment. All right, so what we have said, basically, is that QuickTime Player is a wonderful web tool that allows you to teach your fellow teachers and students to do web recordings, audio recordings, and screen recordings. Good luck with that, and thank you so much.